So I had to tell you that I got caught by the owner of the mall that I was parking my 8 cars. And I call it Scott's Lot, but I don't own it. I just park 8 cars here and hope that no one notices. The owner caught me and called the city, in the city gave me citations to move the car, but I didn't move it. And then the next morning I got 5 tickets. Now I have to move all the cars, and I've come up with a new temporary plan. Scott's Lot.
So, the final day of Scott's Lot, came to do a midnight move, as if the place was mine. So here we are. We gotta move them. I've already moved 2. The Mazda's gone. The VR6 is gone. The Edge, the Charger, gone. So tonight we gotta move this. We gotta move this. We gotta move this. We gotta move this. The plan right now, put them in a parking lot next door. A minute down the street. Takes me like 5 minutes to walk between. And then basically the plan is to leave them there for the night. And then tomorrow regroup and try and find somewhere to park each of them. They need to sell. Let's do the moves. And you'll see exactly the new 24-hour Scott's Lot. And then that 24-hour Scott's Lot will get dispersed into, I guess, hiding cars all over the place, or begging and borrowing places in people's driveways. I haven't decided yet. I mean, not decided yet. I haven't figured it out yet. So that's what we're in the process of doing right now, figuring things out. So we just turned onto the main road. Then we turned onto this road. And right now we're putting the cars here. Tomorrow I'm going to come sort it out. So you can see the Mazda's already there. The VR6 is already here. I'm going to put this one here. And that's it. This is the new 24-hour temporary Scott's Lot. You can see them down there. We're over here. We took some trees with us, apparently. We did not mean to do so. We're thieves. We're thieves. We stole trees. Oops. Oops. Oh, God. People are laughing at us. They saw us. They saw us. Now we gotta walk back. Go get the next car. There's a lot of walking back and forth and back and forth. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have to do the same thing. And yeah, the fun times of running a car dealership in somebody else's parking lot. Super smart idea. Really, really genius. Fast forwarded my plans, and now here's what's happening. We're walking up a busy street to go get the next car, and then the next car, and then the next car. Yay! Oh, guys. I never thought I'd be having so much fun with Scott's Lot, but I can tell you I am. This is definitely keeping me busy. This is definitely keeping me entertained. This is definitely giving me a workout. This is keeping me mentally focused. Sometimes I have the dumbest ideas. And honestly, I think I always have the dumbest ideas. I'm gonna grab the Volkswagen now. So, let's take this. Oh, this smells manual. But there is another entrance right here. We're here, non-stop, moving cars. What are we doing? Moving cars. Where are you tonight, Scott? Moving cars. Where are you gonna go next? I don't know. Probably to move some cars, because my whole life is literally just moving cars. And that's it. Now we're off to the next one, guys. Tribeca. VR6. There's the 3. And the Volkswagen. And that's it. So let's just cut to the walking up to the next one. We'll call it the Nissan. Cut to the Nissan. I haven't been in this one in a while. Let's pick this one right here. Nissan. And we're on the walk back again. Here we go. Let's do our walk. Subaru. Alright, change of plans. We're not gonna put it back over there. We're gonna put it across the street here. And then just walk back over there and get the charger. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna notice. I think we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Somebody got too drunk at the restaurant. They Ubered home. They'll be back in the morning to get their car. That's what people are gonna think for sure. So that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Put this car in this little area here and walk back across to the charger. It's been a long drive. It's been a long drive. That has been an episode of Scott's Lot, the final one at this location. Onwards and upwards, guys.